Vornado heaters are equipped with a sophisticated multi-level safety shutoff system designed to prevent overheating and protect your home from potential hazards. When your Vornado heater suddenly stops working, it's most likely because this safety system has activated. Here's an important fact many people don't realize. Vornado heaters do not have a dedicated reset button. Instead, resetting your Vornado heater involves a simple 5-step process. Let me walk you through each step to get your heater working again safely. Step 2 is crucial. Check for and remove any obstructions that might be blocking the heater's air inlets or outlet. Blocked airflow is the most common cause of overheating. Step 3. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the heater to cool down completely. This cooling period is essential for the safety system to reset properly. Step 4. Plug the heater back into the wall outlet and position it in your desired location, ensuring proper clearance around all vents. Finally, step 5. Turn the heater back on. The safety system should now be reset and your heater should function normally. If it doesn't work after following these steps, there may be a more serious issue requiring professional attention. Remember, this reset process works because it allows the internal safety components to cool down and return to their normal operating state. The key is ensuring proper airflow by keeping all vents clear of obstructions. Safety must always be your top priority when using electrical appliances like Vornado heaters. Following proper safety guidelines protects both you and your property. First and most important, always plug your Vornado heater directly into a wall outlet. Never use extension cords or power strips, as these can create fire hazards and reduce the heater's safety features. Keep your heater at least 3 feet away from any combustible materials. This includes curtains, papers, furniture, and any other items that could catch fire if they get too hot. Important warning: Vornado specifically advises against using their heaters with ground fault circuit interrupted outlets, also known as GFCI outlets. These outlets may cause unnecessary shutoffs of your heater. Stay informed about product recalls. For example, certain Vornado VH2 whole room heaters sold between August and October 2024 were recalled due to electric shock and fire hazards. Always check if your model has any active recalls. If your heater repeatedly shuts off even after proper reset, there may be internal component failures. Common issues include burnt-out heating coils, seized motor bearings, or blocked motor and fan components. For any persistent problems or safety concerns, contact Vornado's Consumer Services Department at 1-800-234-0604. Remember, always prioritize safety over convenience when dealing with electrical heating appliances.